So you see me here on this small vessel, and I'm about to fly my drone to take some footage. I'm flying to get a good view, and I'm checking that the battery is okay, 95%. So everything seems to be alright. At this point I'm getting the drone in the position I want, and I start to take footage. After a couple of seconds I correct the view, and this is what happens. The voltage drops to 0 and the drone begins to descend. I'm able to do a couple of maneuvers, but it's just the sheer luck that the drone ends up in the ship. What caused the voltage to drop? I don't know. I now have a Mavic 2 Pro with a sore leg and a couple of shattered propellers and a dead battery. Luckily I had another battery, so I got the footage I wanted, but I'm really annoyed about the sudden loss of power. And yes, I was in contact with the DJI customer support. Unfortunately the European warranty is only 12 months and my drone is 18 months old, so that's that. If this is a known issue for DJI, I think that the warranty on the battery should be longer than 12 months. What do you guys think? Should it be like 24 months or 36 months, or should they just reimburse a new battery for you? Let me know on the comments. And thanks for watching.